Divine Machines Pvt Ltd was established in the year 1989 in India. The company, over the years, has been recognized as a leading manufacturer of coil processing lines in India. We are an ISO 9001-2015 certified company. If there are special requirements or customization needs, you can contact our professional yet customer-friendly staff by call, email, or connect with us on our social media platforms to get in touch.